my name is Leo. Today I will tell you about why do I prefer books than TV shows. Please listen carefully. First of all, I prefer books because when I read books, I feel I am in the place of the book. Of course, you can feel like you're in the place of the TV show, but I feel more when I read a book. Also, TV can be more harmful because when you turn on the TV has a bright light and it has a lot of electric power. Bright lights can harm your eyes and it has a lot of electric power, so you can feel hot. But books don't have any harmful thing. Thirdly, books makes me feel more comfortable. When I am tired of my schedule, I read my favorite book. Then I feel like I am the main character of the story. Then I feel very excited and relaxed. Then I read a book carefully and carefully. When I am sleepy, I sleep while reading a book. This makes me feel better. Lastly, I prefer books because I want to be a writer. My dream is writer because when I look the book, I think it is cool to write things. When I be a writer, I think I have to read a lot of books, so I prefer books. This is why I prefer books than TV shows. I don't like TV shows because TV shows can make me addicted to electric supplies. Today, I told you about why I prefer books. Thank you for listening.